Hi, I'm Marion with the Move with Marion Real Estate Team. Vendors really matter to me, so my vendors reflect on my reputation, so I'm really careful with who I pick. I have learned, actually the hard way, the importance of roofers. I'm standing in front of my investment property. So 8 years ago, got that free, wow, hailstorm roof. I just picked whoever came to the door. So happy. Well, let's fast forward. I now go in and take a closer look as my renters leave. I have water stains, for goodness sakes, on that roof, and a terrible job was done. Well, for the past 7 years, I have been using Nest Exteriors. It makes a difference, quality roofing. I learned the hard way, and I don't want you to have to go through that same experience. It matters. Vet those vendors. Make sure they communicate well. A whole issue of taking the stress out of picking a vendor is finding somebody good. Quality, I've learned so much about roofing, and it matters who your roofer is, because like me, you don't want to be paying for a new roof 8 years down the road.